wait to leave this town, 'cause they...
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you like it, please keep watching. So I already did my eyebrows and primed my lids and did one eye off camera. With the eyebrows, nothing has changed as of yet. So today we are going to be going in the Morphe 35H palette. Such a beautiful palette. Love all those colors. So first I'm going to be going in with a blending brush, this brush right here, and I'll be going into the shade Caffeine Buzz, this shade right here, and I'll be adding that color on my crease as a transition color.
I've been feeling down, the cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my dark.
So then I'm going to be going in with the shade Wave Maker, which is this shade right here, this one, and I'll be going with this fluffy brush here. I know I keep saying fluffy brush, but it's a fluffy blending brush, sorry about that. And I'm gonna add that to the crease and just build the color up gradually. I feel that that's what works better for me, just to build the color gradually.
Life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record only like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life.
And then I'm going to be going back in with the brush I use. With whatever is left over on the brush, I'm gonna blend out the two shades. So now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna use some of the Tarte Shape Tape to cut it, and I'm gonna just take like this is like a eyebrow brush.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. Can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again.
And then I'm just grabbing whatever is left on the brush and just kind of flicking it in to kind of make the blending with the other colors a little bit easier. So next I'm gonna go in with this turquoise color right here. It's called Ocean Drive, and I'm gonna add that like to the inner corner to about the middle of my eye. And for that one, I'm gonna use angled brush, and I'm using this brush so I can get a little bit closer and get everything more exactly to be able to pack it on. And there is a lot of fallout, but it's because I'm really packing the brush so I can get a lot of off, and that's why you see like so much fallout. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it up to there. I'm gonna go in with the shade Pool Floaty, this one right here. I'm gonna take this flat packing brush and add that to the middle to kind of make everything blend a little bit better with the other color that I'm gonna add. So then I'm gonna go in with the shade Singled Out, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna grab another packing brush and I'm gonna put that one right here.
You can't to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh.
So then I'm gonna go back in with this brush, the first one of the first brushes we used, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Wave Maker and add that to the outer corner and just kind of blend those two together.
Like your life inside a car, forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I.
Yesterday I went to Ulta and I got a new eyeliner brush, a Morphe M217 eyeliner brush. So for gel liner, I'm going to be using the Prolong Wear Fluid Line in Black Track, and I'll be using the M217 eyeliner brush. So hopefully this works, guys. And I'm sorry if you could see my mirror, but I really need like a close up. Try not to make such a thick eyeliner. So this brush is good to do like a thin line, but then when you want to wing it, it's kind of hard to use. So now we're done with the eyes. The lower lash line I'm going to do while I'm baking. Well, now we're going to go in with the face, and I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Like I said, I went to Ulta yesterday, so I got some foundations. So I got some new foundation since the other ones, none of them fit. I got the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This one I got it in the shade T30. Hopefully this fits, because those other colors, yeah, this looks like this is gonna fit good.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the foundation or if it's my beauty blender, but this seems to have like some white little specks of something, and it's like staying on my face. Like those white little specks aren't going away. I don't know what it is. Let me try a brush. So I'm gonna go in with this buffing brush. See if that works any better. I'm not feeling this foundation at all. Yeah, I don't like it. I hate those white specks that it's leaving. And coverage wise, it's not that full coverage. I don't like it. I did shake it, but it's not like, what? I don't get it. Like, why does it look like that? And then I also don't like the application with the, it makes it look worse. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Maybe it's the primer that I used? I don't know. I'm gonna try it with a different primer. That's what I'll do. I'll try it with a different primer. So now I'm gonna go in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer, and this one is in the shade Beige. blend in nicely with this foundation. The only thing is that you have like little white specks. I got the color right, that's for sure. So now we're gonna give this Hourglass translucent setting powder a try. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe sponge and grab some of that powder. So far, I like this powder. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with the MAC NC42 Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. And that's going to also help me add a little bit more of coverage. So now I'm going to take some of the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. This one right here. For a blush, I'm going to be going into this Pretty Vulgar Make Me Blush. So now we're gonna go to our lower lash line. Kind of want to do the same thing I did too on the lid. Kind of feeling that to the bottom. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. You guys in a little bit closer. So now we're gonna go in with Ocean Drive and add that on the lower lash line. And go in with Floaty. So now I'm gonna take the color Singled Out, and then I'm gonna add the color Wave Maker to the last of it. So now I'm just gonna dust the under eye bake, and for highlighter I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like. I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new night.
Now we're gonna set that highlighter in place. So now we're gonna add some lashes, but before that I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. So the lashes I'm gonna be using today are these by Kiss. They're called Teddy. While the glue gets tacky, we're gonna move on to our lips. So I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Cork Lip Liner, and we're gonna go in with the nude color. There's like so much going on in the eyes that the lips need to be like toned down. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.